How to paint a striped basket. Looking for an organization solution that's also decorative? Well, storage never looks so good than with these multicolored painted baskets. A few tools and supplies, and your favorite Clark&Kensington paint colors are all you need to get the project done yourself quickly and easily. Start by selecting your favorite color from the Clark&Kensington color fixture that complements your decor. Once you've selected your favorite color, look for the recommended complementary and accent colors on the back of the range card. Ask to have your colors tinted in Clark&Kensington paint. A tintable pint sample of each color is the ideal amount for a small project like this. Place a drop cloth to protect the area where you'll be painting. You'll want to make sure the baskets are clean and undamaged. Use a tape measure to divide the baskets into 3 horizontal sections. Mark the lines lightly with a pencil, then apply the tape evenly around the basket. If you use Clark&Kensington interior paint and primer in one, there's no need to prime before you paint. Using a clean mini paint roller or paintbrush, paint the basket. Remove the tape and allow to dry completely. Now step back and admire your creativity. For step-by-step instructions, go to thepaintstudio.com.